Hey, it's the Ultimate Handyman. Today I want to show you how to repair stripped out screw holes in a door hinge. Now this method I'm going to show you is also going to work for any kind of hole that's stripped out in wood or even concrete. So before you start the video, I wanted to ask you for a huge favor. Can you please subscribe to my channel? I'm trying to grow this channel to get to 1,000 subs so I can get it monetized. And right now we're at 464 subs. So I need your help. Hit that subscribe button and I really appreciate it. Thank you. So this is a super common problem that I find a lot in people's homes. The wood is stripped out and the screws just spin, and what happens a lot of times is the door hinge will actually rip away from the door jamb and fall off. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how to fix this. It's super easy, and I think anybody can do this repair themselves and save a ton of money so you don't have to hire a handyman like me. So in order to fix the stripped out holes, we're gonna have to pound a piece of wood into each one of the holes. Now you can use any kind of wood that you can find laying around your house to do this job. I've used pieces of 2x4s. I'm using a paint stick for this video. I've actually used branches that I found outside of my customers' homes and whittled them down and pounded those in, and they work just as good. Now that I've got my pieces split, I'm going to take a razor knife and I'm going to shave the corners off so it's more cylindrical shaped. And then the tip of it, I usually like to have a kind of like a point so it'll guide itself into the hole nice and easily when you're pounding it in. Now if you're someone that plays golf a lot, you probably have a lot of golf tees in your golf bag, and you can actually use those instead of whittling your own pieces of wood. They fit perfectly in the door hinge screw holes. So for the next step, we're going to get some type of wood glue. It doesn't matter what brand. It can even be Elmer's glue. You could probably even use super glue. You're going to take your golf tee or your piece of wood that you whittled and you're going to dip it in the glue. Then you're going to stick it in the stripped out screw hole, and then we're going to pound it in with a hammer until it doesn't go anymore. Get it nice and snug. Then I'm going to take a chisel. Right now I'm going to break it off with a hammer, but you can take a chisel after that and just chisel it off flush carefully. I'll demonstrate me putting the other piece in that I made earlier. Same process. You're going to take it, stick it in the hole, and then pound it in. I like having that wedge shape so it gets tighter and tighter against the stripped out wood. And then we'll chisel it off. Now these screw holes are ready to go right away. You do not have to wait for the glue to dry. I've even installed these little plugs without any glue, and it works just as good. The glue just makes it that much stronger. Now it's time to put the door hinge back on and reinstall all of the screws. And each one of these holes was nice and snug. And this last hole I tried to see if I can get it to strip out, and it was really tight, and it really got a nice tight grip on that door hinge. So you can also use this technique to fix holes in concrete. I don't know how many times I've used those blue concrete anchor screws and they've stripped out on me, so I'll just pound a piece of wood in there and it'll fix the hole, no problem. It'll actually be maybe too snug sometimes. I've actually broken off screws doing it this method, so you want to make sure the wood is pounded in there good, but maybe not too tight like in the door hinge, because there's not a lot of playroom because it's a concrete hole. But yeah, it works really great for fixing stuff like that as well. I probably wouldn't use it to hold your house to the foundation, but it definitely works good for smaller applications. So that's it for today's fix. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. Now before you end this video, I need another favor from you. Can you please like and share this video, and also click the bell for notifications so you don't miss out on my latest how-to videos. And with that said, I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you the next project. And oh yeah, don't forget to check out my other videos right here.